where the world just stopped right here in midair. I don't ever wanna move. You put the cool in the breeze. You put the weak here in my knees. You put me right where I'm supposed to be in your blue-eyed sea, and I wanna sail away. 'Cause when I wake up in the middle of the night, you holding me so tight, good for me, my oh my. Sure feels good to love someone. When you laugh at the way I dance, when you smile when you hold my hand, I look at you and I understand. Sure feels good to love someone. You knock me out kiss by kiss. I need you, baby, sip by sip. Sit back and let me drink you in. I'm falling for you over and over and over again. When I wake up in the middle of the night, you holding me so tight, good for me, my oh my. Sure feels good to love someone. When you laugh at the way I dance, when you smile when you hold my hand, I look at you and I understand. Sure feels good to love someone. You're everywhere I wanna go and everywhere I wanna be, yeah. Everywhere I've ever been, everything I'll ever need is sitting right here next to me. When I wake up in the middle of the night, you holding me so tight, good for me, my oh my. Sure feels good to love someone. When you laugh at the way I dance, when you smile when you hold my hand, I look at you and I understand. Sure feels good to love someone. Sure feels good.
I was a third string dreamer on a second place team, but I was hell on wheels with a full head of steam when coach put me in, and I'm still proud of that hit. I was the last resort to go to prom with the queen, thanks to an ex-boyfriend who broke her heart that week. No, I didn't get lucky, but I still felt like a king. And that might not mean much to you, but it does to me. So say I'm in middle of the road, not much to show, underachieving, average Joe, but I'm a hell of a lover, a damn good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. And that might not mean much to you, but it does to me. I was the one phone call when my brother went to jail, pawned my guitar just to pay his bail. No, I'll never get it back, but I'm okay with that. I was the first man standing next to my best friend, the day the love of his life said I'd do to him. I was a couple beers deep, but I still remember that speech. And that might not mean much to you, but it does to me. So say I'm in middle of the road, not much to show, underachieving, average Joe, but I'm a hell of a lover, a damn good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. And that might not mean much to you, but it does to me.
There's a worn-out blade that my granddaddy gave me, my mama's first Bible, daddy's Don Williams Bible. That first fish catching's in cold 33. Well, that might not mean much to you, but it does to me.
say I'm in middle of the road, not much to show, underachieving, average Joe. But I'm a hell of a lover, a damn good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. And I'm a damn hard working, one thing's for certain, I stand up for what I believe. That might not mean much to you, but it does to me.
Yeah, it does to me.
That might not mean much to you. So say I'm in middle of the road, not much to show, underachieving, average Joe. But I'm a hell of a lover, a damn good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. And I'm a damn hard working, one thing's for certain, I stand up for what I believe. That might not mean much to you, but it does to me.
Yeah, it does to me.
That might not mean much to you, but it does